In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make whiteboard animation videos with Canva AI. This robust tool makes creating engaging content both simple and enjoyable, even for beginners. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Canva. If you don't already have an account, signing up is easy and free. Once you're in, you'll find the user interface is clean and intuitive. It's designed so you can seamlessly navigate through many creative options. Next, we're going to click on Create a Design at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll be presented with a variety of format options. For our purpose today, select Whiteboard. This choice allows us to use the whiteboard style that's perfect for our animation video goals, offering flexibility and creative possibilities. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel labeled Apps. Click on it, and from there, open Magic Media. This is where the magic happens, as it's powered by Canva's AI capabilities. The Magic Media tool is essential for generating both video and image elements that will be part of your whiteboard animation. Once you've opened Magic Media, you'll see an option to choose between text to video or text to image. Decide which format best suits your project's needs. Text to video will give you a broader range to incorporate motion elements, while text to image can provide striking visuals to enrich your content. With that decided, it's time to type your prompt. This is where you tell Canva AI exactly what you want in terms of graphics or animation. Be as detailed or as concise as you like, ensuring your prompt clearly reflects the outcome you envision for your animation. After your prompt is entered, click on the Generate button to create your animation. Here's the exciting part. Watch as Canva's AI interprets your input and brings your ideas to life through animation. Each creation is typically ready within moments, making it an incredibly efficient process. To add a professional touch, include a voiceover and presenter notes. This feature allows you to script what you're going to say with your animation or add additional details that might be crucial for your audience to understand your animation's context. When all elements are finished and to your liking, it's time to share your masterpiece. Clicking on the Share button opens up a host of options: email, social media, and more, making it easy to get your video in front of the audience you want to reach. Finally, to ensure you have a copy of your work, download your creation as an MP4 file. This format is versatile and user-friendly, ideal for uploading across various platforms or archiving in your personal library. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make whiteboard animation videos using Canva AI. With practice, experimentation, and patience, you'll be making stunning animations in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!